So I'm just going to show y'all now how to put it in maintenance mode if y'all don't know. So we're going to use the Motorz Edge snap-on. You know what? Let me go back here. There we go. That'll work. All right, so you want to go into anti-lock brakes. You want to go to functional tests. Let me turn the car off. Engine on. All right, so start the engine, please, before the service manual. All right, so y'all want to go to adjustment. This is what you're going to see: adjustment, deflation, actuator test. You want to go to adjustment. You're going to see all sensors, and then you're going to see brake pad maintenance mode. You want to go to maintenance mode. Then it's going to tell you this function is used in the rear brake pad maintenance. Please refer to the service manual. Check the following conditions are fulfilled. Release the parking brake. Stop the vehicle. Battery voltage is above 10. Continue to start test. We're going to hit continue. All right, so they give you two options: enter brake pad maintenance mode, back to normal mode. So I can hit when you're taking the pads out, you want to hit enter brake pad maintenance mode. So you do that. It's going to ask you, do you wish to continue? You said yes. You can actually hear the car. You can actually hear the motor on the emergency brake go back. So that's one way you can tell that you did it right. You continue, and then when you want to go, when you put the new pads on and you want to put the emergency brake back where it needs to be, you go back into the maintenance mode. Make sure the same conditions is met, and you just go to back to normal mode. Wish to continue, yes. And then, man, I can hear the parking brake going back to its original position. As you can see, pad was moved to its original position. This function procedure is now finished. You hit continue. Now that's at least how you do it with this snap-on. You got, obviously you got different scanners, so it may be a little different per scanner, but it just still be the same procedure. So and this car does not come with the option to do it from your dash. A lot of cars have the option inside for you to put your brakes in maintenance mode, but this doesn't. I kind of expected that it did, but it don't. So that's how you do it. You want to pump the brake up like you do any other time, right? Pump the brake up. I'm gonna take this scanner out. Yep, that's how you do it, guys. So if you liked it, like the video, comment below, subscribe, share, and I'll check y'all later.